Okay, so for this one, they tell us that they are both linear. So what that means is they'll have a constant rate of change. For function p, that function has a slope or rate of change of 7. That's the letter m. So you have your rate of change of 7. For letter m, function m, you actually have to figure out your rate of change. So your rate of change would be plus 10 and plus 2. That will be the same for each of these. If you notice here, each time it's going up by 2, which means if it's linear, each time it's going up by 10. So you can pick your easiest counting and you can go back and know the others are the same. So it reduces to a 10 over 2, which would be a 5 over 1 slope or rate of change. This would be 5. This is compared to 7. So it says, in comparing the rate of change, which is true? The rate of change does not differ by 4, so it cannot be B. Function m does not have a greater change because it's 5 and p is 7. M and p do not have the same rate of change. It has to be A.